Hi guys, welcome to our XTJ CNC channel. At XTJ CNC, we hear this story all the time. A prototype approved on Monday. By Friday, you are already stuck. One supply can't hold tolerances, another demands a high MOQ, and a third needs 2 weeks just to review your files. Sound familiar? That's why we built our on-demand manufacturing service to solve it. Instead of forcing your project into a factory schedule, we build production around your timeline, real quantities, and part requirements. You send us your CAD files. We review manufacturability, suggest the best process, confirm tolerances, and start production based on your real order, not a large batch. We don't just machine parts. We give early DMF feedback on tight collars, uneven walls, tolerance slack-ups, and other issues that could cause delays and extra costs. This works great for custom CNC machining, 5-axis parts, third components, fixtures, and braid production. Traditional suppliers often struggle with small quantities, slow quoting, and limited capabilities. You end up managing multiple vendors and taking on more risk. At XTJ CNC, we handle low-volume, high-mix projects under one roof. From prototypes and validation built to custom equipment parts and aftermarket components. Especially for tight tailoring parts, we consistently deliver plus minus 0.002 millimeters with stable process and thorough inspection. We also help you see risks early, offer multiple process options when needed, and provide realistic lead times instead of empty promise. On-demand manufacturing may not have the lowest piece price for mass production, but for low to mid values, it saves your tooling costs, shortens development cycles, and reduces inventory risk. Send clear files with complete requirements. We review everything, optimize where possible, and support you from prototype through potential scan-up. If you have custom geometry, tight deadlines, frequent revisions, or precision demands, this model is a great fit. Perfect for robotics, automation, hardware startups, and OEM teams. At XTJ CNC, we help make the whole process smoother and more reliable.